Okay, good morning. Welcome to
SuperMath171.
SuperMath171. So we're looking at just some practice problems about cylinders and spheres and cones. And we went to Khan Academy just to get some more problems, just beyond the ones we had in the book. And this was just the next one, so we decided we'd give it a shot. A cylindrical glass has a height of 2.5 centimeters and holds 20 centimeters cubed of water. What is the radius of the cylinder to the nearest tenth of a centimeter? I guess we're going to need a calculator right at the end.
So you have our cylinder,
Okay.
and it has a height of 2.5, called the radius r. Actually, not sure if we're going to have to cancel anything or not, but if we do, I'm going to call 2.5 5 halves.
Okay. That's fine.
So the volume is 20 is 20. I'm just going to work without the units for
Okay.
now.
Volume's 20.
So we know pi r squared times 5 halves equals 20. This is the volume formula for a cylinder.
Okay.
So
Let's go over
you
just
can say
this.
pi r squared equals 20 times 2 over 5, which is pi r squared is 8.
Okay.
So r squared is 8 over pi. R is,
Can you write more over here? Because I think you're standing in front of what you're writing. That's
Yeah.
the problem.
so r squared is 8 over pi. So r is the square root of 8 over pi.
Okay. And that's where we're going to need a calculator. So, just real quick, 8 divided by, is this button pi? And 8 divided by pi is 2.54.
Yeah, so it's the square root.
2.546, actually. And then we just take the square root of that. Which button is the square root? So, 1.595. 1.596.
Alright. About 1.596.
So, and what is the answer then to the question?
They want it to the nearest tenth, so it's 1.6.
1.6
Centimeters.
centimeters. Okay. So, give me the marker. Walk me through the process on this problem. So, what do you do from start to finish?
First I draw the picture and label what we know and what we don't know.
Yeah.
Then we know the volume is 20, so we write the equation for the volume. Pi r squared times the height, 5 halves, is 20.
Okay.
Then you just simplify it. Multiply by 2/5 on both sides. Pi r squared is 8. And then it's 8 over pi, and then with the help of the calculator, we can simplify that. a little.
Okay. All right. Anything else?
Not really. This is a pretty straightforward problem.
Okay. And one of the things that was tripping you up on some of these earlier problems is the rounding.
Yeah, because I rounded too early.
Okay. So when do you round?
It's at the end, like we did here.
It's at the end. See, numbers like this, like 8 over pi or the square root of 8 over pi, that's just a number.
Yeah, like 2 or 3 halves.
Or in this case, 2.546 or whatever it is. So you need to do your computations all the way to the end with the numbers. Like if this was 8.5 over pi, you wouldn't want to round to the 8.5. You don't want to round in the middle. So you get to the end and say, okay, there's my number approximately. Now I can round it. So any approximations that you make along the way are going to
Affect
are going
the
to
final answer.
affect this final answer and possibly change it. So 1.6, we'll leave that for the movie, but let's go enter that in and make sure we didn't make a mistake, okay?
Alright.
All right, good job with that problem. Good job.